Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, as we all know, Vuyokasi got lobolat, the negotiations happened and everything went well. She looked so beautiful guys. That kalanje was just for her, and for the flowers guys, one thing I can say about this guy, he knows you must buy flowers. I've never seen anyone who was bought flowers on her lobola negotiations day. This is a first and I'm loving it. So Vuyokasi now is open. She is confirming things, This is the video that she posted on her Instagram showing us what went down, all the things that it's the behind the scenes, and I love this for her. People were happy for her on Facebook, people even on YouTube. She is currently trending guys. Look at this cake. Like, everything was so well planned. The family looked so happy, and at first I thought this was just, when this guy proposed, I thought they were just doing it for social media, during the Izingane Zesithembu drama. So I thought they are just doing this for social media or to raise some views for their show, but this looks so genuine guys. And I also feel like they had to wait for the show to end and then they can get on with the negotiations, because immediately after the show ended and then she is, but yeah man, people are happy for her on Facebook. People are just also feeling encouraged to go see, if he won't do it, then another man will. You don't have to be stuck with someone because you have 2 kids with them, because you feel guilty, you won't find someone who will love you. So people are feeling so encouraged and they are so happy. They are congratulating Vuyokasi, and I like that she didn't gagamela, When this thing started trending, when she got engaged, she didn't gagamela guys. She didn't. She waited until it was confirmed, until it was final. You know what? Me and you are now a couple, And we love that for her guys. Congratulations to her once again for finding love. We are just so happy for her. And all the best to her guys, all the best to her. I'm just happy that she is no longer in that Sithembu drama,